been a Gananoque customer since I was a small child with my parents coming into the dealership.
It's been, I think, 9 vehicles from Chev in the last 15, 20 years.
My father and mother dealt there, my grandfather dealt there.
Yeah.
I love it there. The people are there like family.
When I come down, I see the same staff, and they look you in the eye. They're concerned about your vehicle. They're concerned about time for you, and they make you a priority.
To make the experience easy, and I couldn't ask for anything better. It's a great experience.
I like that they're easy to get a hold of, easy to book an appointment. They don't overcharge, and they also offer the pickup and drop-off service if I can't make it down to the dealership myself.
Pick up the phone them. They will come to your place of employment, your home, pick up your vehicle, and bring it back. I love it. It's a great service.